Hello Standard 7, welcome to English class by Mamta Shetty. Today's session is the second part of chapter 1.2 odds 1 in. Right? In the last video we have already gone through this chapter. What did we see in that chapter, or let us revise this chapter. In this chapter there is two main characters, Rima and Malti. There's a comparison between Rima and Malti. In Rima's class a new girl is taking admission and she is Malti, but what happens? Malti is bullied by Rima and her friends. Rima's friend tease, trouble Malti for her appearance, speech, accent, style. And Malti is a very simple girl, clever, smart, helpful. This paragraph is taken from the book Odd One In by Titi Tagora. Today we are going for the English workshop. So let's start with the workshop. The first is that you have to read the story turn by turn. The next question is you have to few points I have given and we have to find the difference between description, you can say description of Malti and Rima. It can be used as a form of comparison also. So we are going to see the description about this both Malti and Rima, and few points are already given. First of all, we'll start with the table. You have to draw the table. It will be quite easy for you to do it. And then you start with an appearance. First is appearance, then studies, singing, attitude to others, and weak points. You can see the appearance. Appearance is Malti, simple, oily hair, bindi and long skirt. Rima, stylish, hair left open without any oil, no bindi and short skirts. Next we go for studies. Good in most subject, excellent in maths but weak in English. She is very clever in maths but weak in English. But here Rima is average in studies but good in English. Singing. Both have a very good voice, well trained, melodious voice, singing beautifully. Malti can sing very beautifully in Hindi song, Rima in English. Attitude toward others. Malti is helpful, respectful, cheerful and friendly. Rima, opposite of it, rude, catty, snobbish, pokes fun at others, tries to bully others. And the last one is weak point. Of course, we know Malti's weak point. She is weak in English. See that, English language. But what about Rima? Her attitude is her weakness, right? Her attitude towards other is a weakness. She is not ready to adjust with other. Now the second question, you have to imagine your Malti. You have to write any one event, the story from Malti's point of view. This is an example. You can just go through this answer, but try to write yourself a different incident, right? Today was my second day at my new school. Yesterday I had thought that the girls were smart and nice. However, the way they behaved today showed me that they are not at all nice. One of them, I think her name is Hanas, asked me why I put so much oil in my hair, while other very unkindly asked me why my skirt was so long. I don't mind being asked such question, for I have a proper reply for them. What has upset me is the unkind giggles they were laughing, rude behavior of these girls. Why are they being so unkind and rude? So this is the thought of Maltese, from Maltese point of view. Okay, the next question is that how do you behave, right, with your classmate? You have to write about your attitude and behavior. Some action they have given, like ask others for help, refuse help, judge others by their appearance, judge others by their accent. Accent means the talking style. See, always, sometime, never. There is a three columns given. But let us see now how this is an example answer. My attitude and behavior with my classmates are as follows. Always I help, always I share my work. Someone absent, I try to resolve the fight between them. Always I do this. Sometimes, now what sometimes? Sometimes I ask for others' help. Judge other by their accent. Sometimes I tease my friends. Never. What you never do? I never refuse help. I never judge other by their appearance. I never hit anyone. Yes. Now the next question is to list all the adverb that ends with ly from the passage. What is adverb? Adverb is a part of speech, and adverb says us more about the verb. Most of the time adverbs end with ly. Most of the time, not always. So these are the few adverbs from your text. Especially quietly, rudely, cattily, correctly, sanely, beautifully, abundantly, slowly, readily, cheerfully, and so on. At least 10 you find it out. Next point, we are going for the language study. Now this is the noun session. This first language study is about noun. and noun you have already gone through from 5th standard, 5th, 6th, 7th. So this is just brush up of it, revision type. What is noun? Noun means name of a person, place, an animal or thing, right? And noun is classified into two main, proper noun and common noun. All the person's name, place or thing or animal who have been given a particular name, person, that is said to comes under the proper noun. And when no particular name is given, just said randomly, then it's said to be a common noun. Now see, noun is classified into two, common noun and proper noun. Now you will find that what a common noun. Let me common noun here first. Girl, boy, down. Let me pause it off so that we'll start properly. Okay. Now you will see that common noun and proper noun. We'll go first for the proper noun. See, Sangeeta. It's a name of a girl. Right? Properly named. Girls, there are many girls, but Sangeeta, Rahul, London, Nasik, Sahyadri, then Pravara, etc. Right? But commonly, girl means all girls come, so it's a common noun. Boy means all boys, so it's a common. Town, river, table, pencil, bag, roads, etc. Right? So what you have to do, today's homework is from your book that you have to at least find the 5 common noun and 5 proper noun properly, and you have to write it. And always one more point you remember, most of the time proper noun starts with the capital letters at the beginning. Right? And sometimes we have that there are two things, like for example, the Times of India. You'll find that all in capital letter. You'll find the Times, T-I, India. Then some hospitals name, Seva Hospital. Yes, capital, H capital. Yeah, sometimes hospital. Which hospital it is? Hospital will come in common one. Then which hospital? Then the name of that hospital. Seva Hospital. Right? Papers means common noun. Then which paper? Indian Express, Times of India, Lokmat. Yes or no? So yes. So just do the revision of types of nouns, the two main, common noun and proper noun. So here we end the 1.2 chapter. Thank you.